I'm going to show you how to quickly create an event in the calendar app. First, we have to open up the app, and here in the top row we have this plus icon. We click on this, and here we can create a quick event. Let's say movie on Saturday afternoon 5 to 8, and then it's going to add this new event, or we can create a more precise description: movie night on Sunday afternoon, I don't know, 8 to 12 at the cinema, and drinks afterwards. And here we have this new event. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.